Hi, I'm Congresswoman Annie Kuster from New Hampshire's 2nd Congressional District. Over the past few months, I've had the privilege of traveling throughout my district on a healthcare listening tour. I met with healthcare providers, patients, physicians, and everyone in between to identify policies that will expand access to quality, affordable healthcare. From rural hospitals and mental health clinics to alcohol and opioid misuse treatment centers, everyone shared a similar message. The Trump administration's actions to sabotage access to healthcare are causing serious anxiety for providers and patients. Whatever your medical issues may be, no one should face roadblocks in receiving healthcare. I've heard from so many Granite Staters about the need to protect access to coverage and drive down prescription drug costs. Our new Democratic majority in the House has been laser focused on advancing our For the People agenda to get the job done. Over the past several weeks, the House has passed critical legislation to protect Americans with pre-existing conditions, lower the cost of prescription drugs, and fight back against the Trump administration's ongoing efforts to sabotage the Affordable Care Act. I was proud that the House passed my legislation, the Protecting Americans with Pre-Existing Conditions Act, to stop the Trump administration from promoting junk health plans that don't even cover our most common ailments and yet lead to higher out-of-pocket costs. Allergies, Alzheimer's, asthma, cancer, diabetes, you can go right through the alphabet. We cannot go back to a time when Americans living with these pre-existing conditions can be charged more or even denied care. Heart disease, high blood pressure, the list goes on and on. Whatever your condition, we will fight for your access to care. This week, we passed sweeping legislation to make health care more affordable and to reverse the Trump administration's relentless sabotage of our healthcare system, which is putting Americans at risk. For so many families, access to comprehensive health coverage and affordable drugs is truly a life or death issue. We've heard too many stories about seniors splitting their pills in half because they cannot afford life-saving medication due to rising drug costs. House Democrats advanced legislation this week ensuring that generic medication can come to market as soon as possible and closing loopholes that some drug companies have been using to game the system. To put it simply, we hear you. You are sick and tired of being sick and tired, and we agree. House Democrats will continue our fight to pass our For the People agenda, to strengthen our healthcare system and lower prescription drug costs. We urge the Senate to act now. Thank you.